Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Stereo Installs in Mentor, Ohio. We got this super awesome 2021 Jeep Gladiator that we loaded up with awesome accessories. The first step we're going to take in the process today is showing you the Viper Smart Start that we installed in this vehicle. Customer's not here yet, so we can't show you the actual phone side of it, but the base system that we installed is the Viper 2-way 1 button. Has a 1-mile range with the main remote here with the silver piece on the sides. We're going to start it up for you. All you do is simply touch it one time. It's going to flash orange and then it's going to flash green. When the car actually starts, you'll get this flashing green light for the entire 20-minute run cycle of the remote start. In the bottom of the front bumper here, we have the super aggressive SS3 fog lights from Diode Dynamics that we put in here. Think about it, this is during the day and they're that bright, so at nighttime it's just eye-piercing. On the top of the bumper, in front of the grille, we have the SS5 Pro kit from Diode Dynamics that's made for all Gladiators. And not as bright, but they're for daytime running, you know, blue and white, whatever colors you want. And then you're gonna cycle into the bright driving LED light at nighttime you can see coming up here. Just mega bright for if you're camping or anywhere there's no street lights. I mean, you're gonna look like Men in Black are coming for you. Down the side of the vehicle, we have side cameras from a Stinger. These are turn signal operated, so when you hit the left turn signal, this camera comes onto the screen inside, which you'll see later. Got the rear factory backup camera integrated still into this system. Around the other side, you're gonna have the right turn signal side view cam. And then around the front of the vehicle is the front view camera. This guy pulls his Wrangler with an RV cross country. There, we're back in the badass Gladiator that we just did a walk around on. You know, we remote started it earlier, got this bad boy warmed up, doing a little interior video here, explaining all the dynamics of everything we installed in this vehicle. We're gonna start with the cameras. So, really cool OEM integration. The car has the front camera, the side cameras, and a rear camera. When he wants to view his front camera, he's going to hit the aux 1 down here on his dash. These are factory buttons. So he hits the aux 1, and that brings up the front camera view on the Heigh10 head unit here. When he wants to view the side cameras, simply it's wired into the turn signal. So left turn signal, left side camera comes up.
Do the left one again.
So it's a blind spot camera for when he's changing lanes, and it comes on automatically when you hit left or right, goes to the right.
That is cool.
And then we integrated the factory rear view camera to be the backup camera. Really nice, clear image with the parking lines. Set it up so this is very accurate on the bumper line here.
Yeah, very nice. So you had to put that in reverse for that to happen, that function. Okay, gotcha.
To kind of tidy up the talking about the camera system. So he has the functionality, the safety, front, sides, rear. We also installed the Blackvue DR900 up here. It's a 2-channel dash camera up front and in the rear. We have it placed on the driver's side rear window, and it makes it so you can actually take the top off and the camera unplugs easily, so the top can be off in the summer and have that functionality still. So he has all facets of cameras here. Safety, security. You know, he pulls this vehicle across the country with his RV. He needs protection on every level. The Blackvue runs on an app from your phone, so you can view files directly from an app. It's just, he's covered in every way, shape, and form when it comes to the camera needs on this vehicle. Now we get to the heart of the whole setup. This is the Stinger Heigh10 radio. This kit is designed for all. They make a JK kit, they make a JL kit, and they also make one for the Gladiator. This is the Gladiator kit. It looks incredibly OEM. One of the only radios on the planet that you can actually put this in your car, a year from now go to the dealer and it holds retail value. It's not an aftermarket piece that brings down the value on the vehicle. It actually, we've had customers who've traded in Jeeps and they've gotten $1,500 more for their car on the trade-in because of this being so clean and so correct. Has so many options on it. The side cameras and stuff would not be possible without the 4 camera inputs on this. Has HDMI in, so if they want to watch video, if they're taking a trip, they can go HDMI directly in it to watch video. depending on which format that you work with, you have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay for phone mirroring, gives your turn-by-turn navigation through your phone. But the cool thing about his situation is he goes to South Dakota and he's in the middle of nowhere sometimes. So Stinger offers a navigation chip also. So we install the navigation chip for him. If he's in a place where he has no cell service, bang, slams on the navigation, and he has navigation built in anywhere in the planet, not having to worry about any kind of satellite or any kind of signals. On top of it, what really separates this from everything else is the OEM integration. When it comes to climate controls, this can be kind of like old school down here. You know, if you want a little flair added to it, it integrates your climate controls and makes every function that is down here is all digital up here now. You can sync it, do auto, heated seats. You know, I can turn my heated seats on from there, and it even illuminates it on there, that's so cool, huh? And then if you go back, there's vehicle info, which gives you a slew of options. You can do tire pressure monitoring. It brings up all your gauges from the factory. Performance of the vehicle. It shows pitch and roll, the longitude, latitude, where you're located. And then it shows tire angle, transfer case. I mean, it's just one of the most loaded head units on the planet, for sure. If you don't want to have to use a turn signal and you're in like a stationary position, you want to view any of the cameras, you can also hit the camera button and go left, front, right, and rear view on the camera also. It does have, you know, Sirius XM capability, which he does have, you know, so he's got that load up. He's listening to Howard Stern show. To tie everything together all kosher, we did the KS series from Kicker in the top of the dash and the bottom of the dash down by your knee there. And then in the bar above our heads behind us here.
Gotcha.
Hear this thing jam,
Sure,
huh?
crank.
The best thing about this whole setup is there's so much added to this vehicle, but it kind of looks stock still. There's so much effort put into the vehicle, so much functionality added to it with the remote start, the fog lights, the front pod lights, all 4 cameras on the outside, the Blackvue camera, the Heigh10 with the navigation chip, the speaker upgrade. I mean, it hits every single thing that the customer asked for. If you want anything like this in your vehicle, there's only one place to go. Where is that, Lair?
Stereo Installs.
7507 Tyler Boulevard, Mentor, Ohio. See us at Stereo Installs on Facebook, on Instagram, Twitter, our YouTube channel, Stereo Installs. You know where to go, baby.
You could call us 440-525-2001.
I'm extension number 1. My name's David.
And I'm Larry. We'll see you here. Thanks for watching.